Om Shanti. These are the soul reflections from 23rd of July 2019. So today we're going to talk about the topic of why are we losing self-control. Let's have a bit of discussion and explore. Why and how do we lose self-control? We know about pollutants in the air, but there is another crucial component which we cannot see but we absorb. That is the element of human consciousness, which is formed by our intentions, our thoughts, our emotions that we radiate and create. The collective consciousness of our city, our country and the world. So if we analyze the influence of air pollution, we can categorize people into three sets. The first set is the significant number of people responsible for polluting the air. The second set includes everyone, because everyone breathes the polluted air. And the third set are a few people who are physically weak and they fall ill due to the polluted air. Now let's take the same analogy to emotional pollution. So set 1 is a significant number of people who have ego, lust, anger, greed in their minds. And what is on the mind radiates into the atmosphere. So ego, lust, anger, greed are in the air. Now second set includes everyone, because everyone gets influenced by the vibrations around them. And third set are a few people who are emotionally weak at a particular time because of a crisis in life or mental or physical illness. And this emotional weakness makes them vulnerable and they get affected by the environment vibrations more than the others around them. So what happens to people in set 3 is important to understand. If a person affected by air pollution is asked to climb a flight of stairs, they get breathless. They are not their normal self. Similarly, when someone in an emotionally depleted state, affected by the environmental vibrations, has to face a slightly difficult situation, they lose control over themselves. They react in a manner which is not normal of them. Road rage, physical assault, or any other form of unplanned acts of crime happens when momentarily people lose control over their normal way of being. Moments after the act, they realize, they regret, and go into pain and guilt. But it is those few moments which can affect many destinies. While we read about people in set 3 and we condemn what they have done, it's time to introspect. Am I a part of what has happened? Am I part of set 1, which creates anger, which creates violence? So, introspection is very, very important. If we want to create peace, respect, and harmony in the world, let us remember it begins in our mind. If we want everyone to be healthy, we will need to curb the pollution we are creating. We, the people in set 1, will need to change so that there is no one in set 3. I am a part of the collective consciousness. Let me be the change, radiate the change, and become a part of the world change. Thank you, God Almighty, for all the spiritual knowledge and blessings. Om Shanti.